Bakong Ampareen lingdo ke MLA ke belasah suspend ke sen Kongres kalau orang bakan Iakren Myntri Rangbah Halor ke jaka yang bas dan ke Isbt ke badan hamoyong.
I don't know whether the construction errors are there or not, but I know that there have been some complaints about the lack of coordination for transportation of people coming to Shillong, or even people from Shillong to travel from the Isbt to main city. I'm aware that there are some deficiencies in that. In fact, I had requested the Honorable Transport Minister to engage actively to ensure that that inconvenience was not caused to the public in general, because if you do not have specific slabs of transportation fee for people to be transported from the Isbt to the city, then there's going to be this manipulation, and it overall will disrupt the purpose of the Isbt being located off-site or outside of the main hub of Shillong. I don't know what the difficulties are, so I will not be able to understand what you're saying unless if you tell me clearly what is it that is still not there. I'm told that the tendering of all the shops have also been conducted, so I don't know whether it's fully operational or not. But yeah, maybe we can go and see once, and then I'll be able to give you a better reaction on that.
What you see where the videos which were circulated, you can see there are leakages of the ceilings and of the walls, and there are cracks of the walls.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. And it should be attended to quickly, because right now, very shortly, the police bazaar MTC will not be operational any longer. So if you have these kinds of big problems in construction, then we will have a problem to take charge of that particular building. So I will definitely alert the government, and I will speak to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Transport Minister and see that this gets sorted out immediately, because that's going to be a big inconvenience to all travellers across the border.